Hello, fellow steamers and machinists. Just got done disassembling this Kurt D675 vise. It's a 6-incher, and bringing it back into its former glory. And I even finished the bottom, same as the top. That's heavy. And here are all the disassembled pieces. The ram. And there's the movable jaw, and there's the bearing pack. I even painted the underside of the movable jaw, which was never painted in the first place, but I wanted it done. One thing that I don't think a lot of people know about is that you can get a hold of Contact Kurt. And Barb will send you some free vise tags. These are very nice. These are the original ones, and they're going to go on there in the original style. I asked for 2. She gave me 4. That was very nice. And they were free. So we're going to assemble this in the next video. And hopefully she works like glass. It was in pretty good shape before I took it apart. So there we have it. Bye now.